Welcome to Frid Villa, a project that challenges how we think about home, density and community. Located in São Paulo, this 450 square metre site once held a single family house. Instead of demolishing it, the architects at Arquitetura chose transformation over erasure, reimagining the structure as 5 independent housing units, carefully integrated into one cohesive living environment. Each unit ranges between 60 and 100 square metres. They have their own gardens, private entrances and dedicated outdoor areas, creating the sense of an individual home within a shared fabric. What makes this project stand out is its approach to soft urban density. Rather than stacking units vertically or enclosing them in a block, the design opens out, horizontally and emotionally. The new layout preserves light, privacy and the rhythm of everyday life, while encouraging shared use of land and infrastructure. The materials reflect this duality. Exposed concrete and metal details give the homes a contemporary character, while wooden elements and garden spaces keep them grounded and warm. Natural light filters through every unit via large openings, and passive ventilation supports sustainable living. The circulation paths and shared green zones are subtle. They connect, but never impose. Residents move independently, but still feel part of something larger. Frid Villa is not just a renovation, it's a new housing typology, a proposal for how we can live together without giving up individuality, where boundaries are respected but belonging is rebuilt. In a time when cities are growing faster than communities can catch up, this project shows us that architecture can still offer clarity, calm and connection.